So you can use a sofa pillow and you put it under your pelvis, and you might even tolerate folding it in half. And what that does is it flexes the pelvis. So now any movement I do with the pelvis goes immediately to the lumbar facets.
Okay.
So otherwise, a lot of this movement is just my pelvis moving, and it's not even getting to my lumbar spine.
Oh.
Can you see it? I'm trying to rock my pelvis back and forth.
Yeah, so you're giving it some leverage.
But my lumbar curve isn't changing. So this takes the pelvis out of the system, takes the pelvic movement out, and now when I roll my pelvis, now my lumbar curve changes. It's lumbar movement now. Got
I see it. Yes.
So we're pretending that I'm holding a wheel, and I can pull the wheel towards me. My belly button comes towards my sternum, and my low back flattens out and opens up. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
So then I go the other way, get a little arch, but mostly flattening is what you and I need. It's called a pelvic tilt.
So, because we want to open the facet
We
joints.
want to open those facets.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
So then you bring your feet together on the sofa, knees are together, and you very gently go left and right. So this is called pelvic rock.
Are you tilting as well, or you're just
I'm doing nothing
neutral?
with my pelvis.
Okay.
I'm just moving my knees to the left and to the right.
Okay.
My hips move, and because the hips are moving, then it moves the pelvis. Nothing is forced. I'm not going all the way.
Just getting some movement in there.
Just safe movement. And eventually, I'll start going a little longer arcs, and pretty soon it'll turn into a stretch at the very end.
Okay.
But I don't force it. You with me?
I'm with you.
Okay. And then you do pedal pushes. Pretend you're on a bike and you're pushing one pedal and then the other.
I instinctively want to do that when things are stuck. Does that make sense?
Beautiful.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Okay. Make sure I'm
So
getting
what
your
is
feet.
this doing? It's making me hike one hip and then lower that hip. Hike the opposite.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
So pretend you have a pedal and you're just going part ways.
Okay.
You're not making a circle.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, you're back and forth versus.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yep.
exactly. 30 of these is a good number.
Okay.
When I do it, I do 100.
Okay.
So if you do this a couple times a week, and I would do it for the next 5 days, every day.
Okay.
You
All
understand?
of what you just showed me.
All of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
30 of each.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. And then you can take a knee and just very gently stretch it towards your chest. Do 30 on the left, do 30 on the right, and then do both of them together.
Okay.
You got it?
I do. I'm glad we're videotaping this.
Good, good. All right. So let's go offload it, and then I'll send you a link.
Okay.
Okay? Those are for your facet.